Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. This one here you might want to save for the weekend. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Now this one here is definitely dress attire. Yes, you can dress down in this, but dressing up is gonna really set off the attire. I'm liking this look. Now, the name of the watch face is called MTH0017. Very nice looking watch face. Even in the always on mode, it's gonna look good. It's just gonna be dimmed down for the Gears 3. Now for the Gears 2, you're gonna get a different type of look, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, I like this honeycomb thing that's going on in the background. It doesn't take away from the elegant look that this watch face brings out, right? Now, if you look at the watch face, the second hand going around the bezel of the watch is actually causing it to glow red. I thought that added so much nice character to the watch. And also, look at the tip of the hands as well, right? Very elegant, very nice. Now, if you look, you got your battery percentage there and it's lit up red. That makes it stand out as well. You go to the right, up at the top, you're gonna get floors climbed. You're gonna get your heart rate info, gonna get your month and your date along with your digital time. So you get the best of both worlds with this watch face. You're gonna get the day of the week and 23,000 steps today. I could have did better, but you come down, you're gonna get miles walked or ran. This watch face offers a lot, and it is interactive. So if I double tap here, I can get my battery info. Same thing for my step information. Just double tap, hit it right, if I can get it to go, and then it'll bring up your step status info. I thought the developer did an awesome job with this watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, it is hump day, and we got to get over the hump. I'm still into overtime. Send out a prep for me. All right. With that, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And just have an enjoyable day. All right, you all. I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.